Okay, so far we've taken down the middle loft, and so now you can see how open it is, which looks good. Framed out what's going to be the bathroom. Made it very large because I wanted to do several things. You know, we're gonna have a full shower in here. You know, a big one, like a 60-inch shower, as opposed to just a 36 by 36. A washer and dryer can fit in here, and you know, all the trimmings, and not worry so much about, you know, walking into walls for the most part, which I don't want to do. Also framed out a utility area. And I'm going to consolidate all this. You know, this is just set up in temporary fashion to allow for, you know, power. But once I actually have everything set the way I want it, I'm probably going to take no more than that back wall. And, you know, the rest of it is just, there's nothing. It'll be that back wall, and I'll partition it off somewhere in there so that always functions out of the way. And then the rest of it will utilize this closet space and such. I thought about using two barn doors split here. They'll both stop at this point. You can slide this open and closed to get into the bathroom. You can slide the bathroom open and then slide the secondary one open to get into here. And when this is not in use, you just keep it closed. But that doesn't take any room from the room, you know, any space from the rooms at all. You know, it's very easy to do. We're just talking about, you know, one rod that can run both doors. And now, for living space, you literally have all of this, you know. For loft one, end up building a staircase that'll come this way, and then underneath there you have storage and such if needed. You know, you never waste any space. I envision the secondary staircase ending up, you know, starting here and coming over a little bit into here, and then, you know, back, so you kind of walk into like a corridor. On one side of it would be one side of the staircase that will go up to the main loft area. Then you have the area that you want to use for kitchen and eating area on this side. TV ending up probably somewhere in here on the wall. And, you know, some kind of a sectional couch, L-shaped, a little bit off the wall over here so that the door can slide freely back and forth. And other than that, you know, a main, you know, area that's pretty nice. At some point, depending, I guess it's gonna have to be on this wall, I might end up cutting in, you know, some kind of a, you know, full-size window there. I don't think I'll be able to do it on this side just because of the, you know, everything that's going to be here. So you really can't do that. The best option you'd have is to go into the loft section and do some kind of a series of lights, whether it's the smaller dormer style lights, one, and then maybe a second one, so that you have good light coming in. You know, you can do it that way if need be. And in the bathroom area, have not decided if I'm going to cut into one of the walls to give one, you know, one window. I think it's a good idea. If I have one wall that has some open space, you know, after the equipment and all gets, you know, sized up and put in, then I'll probably end up doing that. You know, just because it's nice to have a bathroom in the window. Window in the bathroom, sorry. But anyway, progress is always good, and I figured I'd just give you guys an update. Let me know any ideas you have, anything that you think makes sense. I appreciate all comments. Thanks, and like and share so everybody can get in on the act. Talk to you guys later. Bye.